My name is Tony. I'm one of the instructors here at Bendi Forklift Training. And today I'm going to show you how to de-stack at eye level using the Flexi truck. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is to put the truck into gear. I'm going to look around left and right, release the handbrake, move slowly forwards, looking out for my pivot point, which is centre of the front wheel, which I'm aligning up to the centre block of the pallet. Once I'm in position, I'm going to put it into neutral. I'm turning the wheel to the left, full locking round to the left, putting back into gear, having another look around, moving forwards very slowly and stopping 6 inches away from the racking. I'm going to apply the handbrake into neutral. Now I'm going to use the hydraulics, taking the tilt off. And raising the forks up to eye level. Once the forks are in position, I'm now going to move forward again, entering the pallet nice and smoothly. Turning the steering as I'm entering the pallet, entering nice and slow. Keep on going forwards, entering the pallet, turning the wheel as we're manoeuvring. Kissing just up to the pallet, applying the handbrake again and putting it into neutral. Raising the forks up, lifting the pallet off 2 inches off the racking. Now going to reverse the truck again into gear, having a look around, releasing the handbrake, looking in the direction I'm travelling, but also needing to look at the load that's coming out. Turning the wheel, keep turning the wheel. Handbrake on again, into neutral, lowering the load down. Applying back tilt to secure the load. And I'm going now reverse back to my starting position. Into gear again, having a look around, releasing the handbrake, straightening the steering before we manoeuvre. So the truck is nice and straight. I need to be coming back in a nice straight line. Again, looking in the direction I'm travelling, putting my arm behind the seat. Now applying the handbrake and into neutral.